Hey everyone, back again down on Avenue de Mediterraneo today. Got no joke today cause I didn't really have a look at any of them, so I apologise for that, but do feel free to send some in if you got any. Put your name with it as well, then I'll give you a shout out. So the temperature's 37 degrees today. We have seen that on one of these things here. But we'll probably get accused of bullshitting like we always do, so I might as well say today it's pissing down with cats and dogs, being as I'm bullshitting. Rumour being spread about by someone, not naming any names, but the rumour is Benidorm bars and restaurants are now going to limit you to how long you're allowed to be in there. Well, I'll get called the bullshitter for saying the temperature, so the person who's spreading this rumour around about the bars and restaurants giving you a time limit, they're bullshitting. It's not a lie, guys. I can guarantee you're not gonna go in a place, say, Four Kings, you get in there, sit down, and the guy goes, well, you got an hour starting now. If you go over the hour, you're getting kicked out. They ain't gonna say that, guys. It's bloody Benidorm. Benidorm, party capital of the world. Look, I mean, we're getting busier and busier over here. Getting hotter as well, guys. That's another good thing. Just do be careful in this heat though, guys. It is quite bad. I mean, you can get badly sunburnt, you can get sunstroke, heat stroke. Just take it easy. That's all I can say, really. Got Larry Cotter's restaurant, pizzeria, just there, guys. Real nice place. There's the main one, of course. Then this is a little terrace one. I've been a bit of a bad week this week. Got a bit of a bad year. Still a bit worried about me mate as well, and as always, we're getting more trolls than ever. So, yeah. Even getting trolled by YouTube channels who ain't even in Benidorm. You know who you are, mate? Hotel Dom Pancho there. I've heard that's meant to be quite a nice hotel actually. A lot of people do recommend going there, and a lot of people who do stay at the Dom Pancho, they end up becoming regulars because of how nice it is. Up the alleyway there next to the Montreal clothes shop, you do have the Jet2 holiday service office. On there on the corner, of course, is the bodega, also known as the wine barrel. Do lots of cheap booze in there, guys. So if you are wanting some drink on holiday, nip into the wine barrel. Your way, not the best today, guys. Yeah. Got the beer garden there as well, another nice bar. And I think it's time for breakfast. So finishing here at the brilliant Florida Pasteleria. Adios guys, hit the like, hit subscribe, stay safe.